burrowing owls. This little guy lives right in the middle of suburbia. Only the size of a soda bottle. He's putting the finishing touches on an 8-foot burrow. But this is the easy bit. Finding a mate to share it with him is going to be tricky. He seems to be late to the party. There are 250 pairs here. Some even have chicks. Hooting and bobbing, single owl, not too tall, would like to meet female for eggs, chicks, and a lifetime of happiness. But the course of true love never did run smooth. But try as he might, he's not got a hoot in return. His chances of raising a family this year are not looking good. Or is he? This is the moment he's been hoping for. Well, that seems promising.